enter the candidate ID, name, date of birth, and other credentials which are mentioned on the LinguaSkill test report form. And you will check, you can have the option to check the LinguaSkill test reports over there, that whether they are genuine or not. So this basically helps the credibility and validity of the examination with the fast results and online examination thing. So that basically helps the institutions to verify that whether the student has taken the exam and the student result is original or not. So where can you take the test? Since it's an online examination, so you have two options to choose whether you can select your nearest ICT test center in order to attempt the examination. What you need to do is simply register on the online registration form, which I will definitely be providing by the end of the webinar. You can select any of the ICT center, which is in Lahore, Karachi, and Islamabad, and your exam will be taken immediately. Normally, the maximum time is within 2 to 4 working days, and you can attempt the examination at the center. And what you need to bring on the examination day is just your passport and CNIC, which you will be entering while doing the LinguaSkill exam registration. So other than that, you don't need anything else on the examination day, because your exam will be conducted at the center. The other option is LinguaSkill exam can also be taken at home or from your workplace, and you can attempt the exam anytime you want, and you can take the exam at home. That exam is basically like invigilated through the online proctoring services, and that can be flexible in terms of the exam scheduling. You can schedule the time at which you are available, and you can take the exam as per your own convenience. And what things you will be requiring for that? Definitely, you will be requiring your CNIC and passport for the verification of your ID, to check that whether you are attempting the examination. And you will also be requiring the laptop and computer on the system on which you will be appearing in the computer-based LinguaSkill examinations. Other than that, you will be requiring headphones, speakers for the listening and speaking part, and the camera will also be required for the examination. So if all the verification checks are completed before the examination, so you are good to go with the online proctoring examination at home for the LinguaSkills. So talking about the LinguaSkill recognition, where it is recognized and for which countries it is accepted and for what purposes that can be used. As you can see on the screen, you can check the validity, you can check the recognition of LinguaSkill assessment examination on the Cambridge website. You can enter the desired location in which you want to assess that whether the institutions accept the LinguaSkill scores or not. And you can simply search those countries and institutions with the exam type mentioned as LinguaSkill, and search for the institutions for the recognition in their undergraduate admission and for the recruitment purposes. So we basically looked into a number of institutions who already are accepting LinguaSkill examinations for admission purposes. Out of them, there are a few universities mentioned in Australia, in United Kingdom, and in Ireland. And in the previous year, our students had applied for a number of universities and have successfully got their admissions in these universities. And yeah, so this exam is basically accepted by a couple of institutions for the undergraduate admissions purposes. Here are some reviews of linguistical test takers who previously attempted the examination in 2020, and they got their admissions in the desired universities in University of Bradford and other couple of universities in which linguistical has been recognized for the admissions purposes. So, talking about the linguistical multi-purpose use. Um, so linguistical is not only can not only utilized for the admissions purposes, but that can also be used um, by the recruitment services and by the hiring authorities in order to assess the proficiency level of the candidates. Means that they are already using the examination for recruitment purposes to check that whether the candidate has a certain level of proficiency. So since linguistical score report gives a detailed score report, right, stating that what level of proficiency the candidate has, so whether that will be suitable for the organization or for the recruitment purpose. So it's basically for that purpose. And we know a number of schools are already using linguistical general and linguistical business for the recruitment and hiring purposes for the teachers and for the employees in order to have the the best proficiency level candidates for the recruitment and for the job purposes. So let's talk about linguistical preparation, and Mr. Essen Shahab will guide you how you can prepare for the linguistical test preparation and how ICD can help in linguistical testing.
Thank you so much, Ms. Fatma. So when it comes to lingual skill test preparation, you have two options. Either you can buy an online portal from ICD, which gives you ample practice for reading and listening. Can you please move on to the next slide? So as you can see right in front of you, it's a 20 hours online practice course, and they have detailed and analysis of listening as well as reading test sections with all the tips and hints that require to pass lingua skill exam. There are 13 modules in total. 3 of them are introductory modules, and then 5 modules are for listening and 5 modules for reading on a workplace theme. There are also two practice tests as part of the course, so that so that you can actually like get familiar with the type of questions you will encounter in your lingua skill exam. And then another option is to sign up either for face to face or online class at ICD. uh, the preparation classes at ICD are usually customized tutor-led session, and we have access to all the resource material that you will need in order to prepare for lingua skill. Apart from the resource material, we give home assignments to our students, and we believe that when a student work with their classmates, they actually their efficiency increases. So that is why we prefer pair checking or pair work compared to the teacher centered approach. And then we also have mock exams, and we also provide detailed score report and also detailed feedback on your writing. So during your preparatory classes, we will if you're signing up for all 4 skills, then we will cover all 4 of them, and then we give you regular tests so that you can assess your progress, and we can also assess your progress and guide you better if you are ready to sign up for an exam or not. Can we move on to the next slide? So when it comes to lingua skill exam fee and registration, as you can see, when it comes to all 4 skill, the fee is 100 British pound. For reading and listening, if you sign up for reading and listening, you'll have to pay 40 British pound, and for writing and speaking, it's 30 British pound. You can either in order to order exam, you can visit ICD's online store, or you can either pay, and you can either pay in British pound or equivalent PKR in ICD's bank. In order to do that, you will have to fill out the registration form. The link is given right on the slide if you can see that. And also, if any one of you would sign up, we will provide you the detailed email. Can you move on to the next slide? Okay, so now we are actually taking all your questions. So if you have any question, you can write in the chat box, or you can raise your hand in order to ask.
So yes, Sikandar, you can ask the questions in the question and answer box or in the chat box. So we have a question related to the online proctoring. So as we already informed about the exam scheduling, yes, the candidates can take the home-based edition. That is basically the candidates can schedule the exam if they want to attempt the exam from home. For that, they will be requiring some pre-checks whether the systems are compatible to take the exam, and for that they can schedule the exam for the home-based edition and can take the exam once they get the confirmation from the Cambridge, and you can take the exam at home by managing the camera, internet connection, headphones, and other requirements as mentioned earlier, which are also available on our website if you have any query. And the candidate can be will be receiving the score report within 48 hours for the same online examination for lingua skills. Okay, so someone has asked that what's the expiration date for the lingua skill testing? That's the same. It's valid for 2 years, considering the date that is mentioned in front of the examination for each component that has been taken. So it's the same. That's valid for 2 years. So yeah, Sikandar has asked for the system requirements. So once a candidate opts for the online examination, he is sent the system requirements, the camera checks, like every technical requirement has been is sent to the candidate in order to verify that whether their system is compatible to take the exam. And once it's verified, the student can take the exam. So someone has asked a question that whether it can be useful before doing the CELTA course. Yes, that can help you in getting know your proficiency level. That will give you a detailed score report that whether you have a certain proficiency level that is required for the course as the requirement for getting admission in CELTA course. And yeah, definitely it's that will be helpful for that. So do we have any other question? Mm, yeah, I have already answered for the question asked by Sarah. Yes, it's useful if you are doing the lingua skill. assessment exam. If you're applying for a CELTA course, definitely that can be useful in order to get the required CFR level, which is the minimum requirement for this for the desired course in which you are applying for. Okay, so talking about, there's a question related to the total duration of the course fee and whether this course has any connectivity with the teaching English in the Pakistan and Middle Eastern countries. Okay, so the duration of the course, it's firstly, it's like not the course exactly. LinguaSkill is basically the examination for which there is a certain requirement. There is a duration for each of the language proficiency assessment exam, right? And a fee has already been shared. It's £100 for all the core skills, and for the individual skills, it's 40 for the reading and listening, 30 for the writing, and 30 for the speaking. And this connectivity with the teaching, yeah, so it's, yes, it can be used by schools and recruitment services and the admissions department for certain organizations who want a certain level of proficiency in their examination, right? So yes, that can be used in the teaching English medium for a number of organizations who want to have enrollments on the basis of the language proficiency. Mm. Okay, so Sikandar has asked a question. Yes, Sikandar, you can choose like either you can attempt the exam at a center, which most of the students finds convenient, means they do not need to worry about the technical requirements or anything else. They just need to have their ID ready with them, and they can simply go to the center and appear in the examination. And obviously there are like the students can also take the exam at home, but they need to make sure the technical requirements and other things before confirming, before taking the examination, so that they do not have any issue with that. So for a test taker faces internet problem during the examination, right? So for any issue that happens during the examination, for example, during the online examination, your internet goes off. So you can immediately inform the test center, as well as you can inform you can inform the test center of the issue, so like we can resolve it as soon as possible. Or if the problem stays persistent, then like we can provide you a definite solution for that. So uh, that's like we can have a look on it, what kind of problem is faced during the examination. In that purpose, the pre-checks will basically help. uh, you have to make sure that you have a working internet connection, and there isn't any distortion within that. Obviously you have to make sure before exam registration, and that will be the terms and conditions for the examination. But definitely if any kind of problem occurs, so the technical support team will be provided the assistance. Yes, Sikandar, your students can take the examination from Peshawar, fulfilling the online examination conditions of the technical requirements. Once they approve, they are ready to go with the exam. And yeah, they can take the exam from home, no matter like how far they live. They can take the exam with the online proctoring services. So Abdul Wahid Abbasi has also asked a question: what's the minimum educational requirement? So the requirement is basically from the institutions, like what, for example, in other examinations, they require a certain level of proficiency. So you like the same goes for the LinguaScale examination. There is a comparison available on their website. I will also be sharing that comparison with the students. That's also available on our website. What IELTS and LinguaSkills score comparison is all about. So the candidate can also be using that for the reference purpose. And yes. So do we have any other question? Yes, Abdul Wahid Abbasi, you can definitely collaborate with ICD in terms of lingua skill examinations. Yes, you can definitely refer the students to ICD. And for that, I will be sharing the test referral form with you after this webinar so that you can collaborate with us and provide provide us the students whose exam will be taken by ICD. Yes, definitely we will be happy to assist you in that. All right, I have noted your email address. No problem. All right, I think that's all for like question answers that you might have. There is one question. What are the incentives on each referral as an institution? So definitely we collaborate with institutions and consultancy services, and I will be sharing those details with the participants, with the referral agents. For that, your Sikandar has already, I think you have already signed up for becoming the referral partner, and we will be definitely sharing the details with with all the other consultancy services, whether what will be how we can collaborate in terms of the lingua skill examination. So Shahana has answered. Shahana, where? What is the points required for the master program? So Shahana, the thing is that every program has their different requirements for lingua skills scoring. So wherever you are applying, you need to check in the language proficiency requirement whatever the institute is offering. So you have to make sure that you have that certain level of language proficiency in terms of lingua skill. So you need to check with the institution in which you are applying. So like different institutions have different requirements for the language proficiency examination. Muntazir has asked a question that, ma'am, all are online. Are you asking the examination is all online or something? So the examination is like it's a computer-based testing, which can be taken online from from your home. Like you can test the exam at home, or you can attempt the exam the same computer-based examination at ICT center. So that's how it works. No problem. All right. So do we have any question left unanswered? Yes, I think that's all for today. So on screen, you can have a look on the contact details. You can contact on our UN number regarding lingua skill inquiries. You can also contact on the mobile number provided. And you can also send me an email at fatima@ict.org.pk if you have any query regarding LinguaSkill exam registration, or its validity, recognition, or anything that we can talk about. That's also for the consultants and agents who have asked me questions related to the referral and financial incentives related to the LinguaSkill examination can also send me an email, so that we can move forward with the exam registrations. So I would like to thanks all of the participants who joined in today's webinar, and it was great to have so many people in today's webinar, and your questions to ask relevant to the LinguaSkill examination. And for any further query, you can refer to my email address or my UN number. Yes, I can show you again the screen on which my contact details are already mentioned. So you can note it down. It's fatima@icd.org.pk. And that's the mobile number on which you can reach me directly, or you can also contact me on UAN number, dialing the ICD Lahore. Yeah. So another question, do we get any certificate of attendance? Yes, the participants will be receiving a certificate of attendance for this webinar, and you will receive that certificate within 48 hours. Yeah, so you will be receiving a certificate of attendance. Thank you, all of you. It was nice to have you all on this platform, and yeah, so okay. Yes, you will be receiving a certificate for the other workshop that you attended, and you must have received an email for that. You will be the waiting period for the certificate receiving is 14 working days. So I would appreciate for you to wait, because we will be dispatching those certificates to all the attendees uh, after that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of the participants here. Have a good day. Thank you.